Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss standard tense histories lesson number 3, that is applied history. Now let us see what is applied history. Applied history means application of history in different fields for the benefit of the people. In brief, it means understanding of our present with the help of history and finding right direction for the benefit of our future. So it means applied history. See, it means using the knowledge of history in the present context for the benefit of the people. Knowledge of history is very important. It helps us to find solutions in the present context. Now we are going to discuss relation in between applied history and different fields of knowledge. First of all, let us discuss the relation in between applied history and philosophy. Philosophy means studying the origin of various ideologies. Philosophy needs language as a medium of expression. The study of history of development of different languages is important here. Even the history of the development of different ideologies is also helpful. Science. The applied history helps us to know about the different scientific inventions and discoveries as well as their course of development. Thus, the applied history helps us to understand the present scientific development on the vast background of history. Now let us see technology. What is the relation in between applied history and technology? The technology of agricultural production, architecture, engineering and commodity production plays important role in today's life. The applied history helps us to know the course of development from Stone Age tools used for agriculture and the modern machinery used in the present times. So in this way, regarding technology, for example, if we are studying agricultural tools, so the study of ancient tools, for example, in the Stone Age period, what tools were used by man and in what way these tools went on improving or developing. Okay, so this knowledge helps us in the present agriculture. The applied history underlines the relation in between science and technology also. Now, industry and commerce. Let us see what is the relation in between applied history and industry and commerce. To understand the changes in the nature of market and commerce as well as human relationships and the social organization, we need to study history. Now, management studies, the relation in between applied history and management studies. The management studies contain chain of production, human resources and processes of production, as well as chain of market and sales management. Here, it is important to understand the psychology of the people working at different levels in the chain production and marketing. Knowledge of history makes management at various levels easier. So in this way, we discussed about applied history as well as its relations with the different fields of knowledge. Okay, so the remaining part of the lesson we will discuss in the next video. Please go through the lesson and try to understand. It is very important to see that you are understanding the lesson. Okay, take help of the dictionary also to know the meanings of the different words and different concepts. Okay, thank you very much. Wish you all the best.